Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I came up with this simple summer glowy look as picked by you guys on Instagram. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I am a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. So, Instagram has been the place to be lately where I can interact with you guys and see what kind of videos that you guys want me to do. I put up a poll last week saying that I wanted to step out of my comfort zone and do either a summer glowy look or B, I think it was a natural look. I think so. And overwhelmingly, you guys wanted to see a summer glowy look. So this is what we got going on today. I am going to show you guys just how I came up with this look. And yeah, let's just go ahead and dive on in. Okay, I went ahead, pre-cleansed my face, moisturized it, and now we are going to prime it. I am going to start with the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I actually kind of like this. It does have a very runny consistency, but it really does hydrate the skin, and it does give a little bit of luminosity into the skin. So it'd be really, really good for this summertime glowy look. It does have a coconut smell to it, so I'm wondering if it does. I'm pretty sure it probably has coconut in it, but it does have a coconut smell to it. But it just really does hydrate the skin really well. I've heard mixed reviews about this. Some people like it, some people don't. I like it personally. I do. Oh, it feels so good. See, as you see, my face does have a little bit of shine to it. Awesome. And then next, I'm going to go in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Oh my god, I love this primer. I need to stop using it because it's like stupid expensive. This primer is just so freaking good. I love it a lot. It brings a lot of brightness back into my skin because my skin is starting to become very dull, even though I am doing skincare that does have brightening in it. But this does bring back a lot of brightness to my skin, and I really do like that a lot. And it smells amazing. Okay, I'm going to let this soak in, and I'll be right back, and we are going to start with the foundation. Okay, now that my primer has set in, let's go ahead and start putting on some foundation. Now, you guys know I really love being matte. So doing like a summer glow type look is way out of my comfort zone, especially when it comes to foundation. But when I do want to do one, I like to mix two products together. The first one being the It Cosmetics CC Oil-Free Matte Cream, and the second one being the Gerard Cosmetics BB Plus Illumination Cream in the shade Grace. These two together are amazing, and they really give you that nice, healthy glow, and it doesn't like overpower your skin. So it's going to give you that little extra bit of sun-kissed, you know, glow going on. So I'm going to put some of this on my little cheapo palette. This is a new tube, and it's acting up already. And then I'm going to take just a couple pumps of the Gerard Cosmetics BB Plus Illumination Cream and put it right on top of it. There we go. And then I'm going to stir it together. Now, you're probably sitting there wondering, Melissa, why don't you just buy a luminous foundation? Well, I don't wear luminous foundations on a regular basis. So I don't want to waste money buying a foundation that I'm not going to use on the regular when this works just as good. So now we're going to apply it to my face. Okay, so I have my foundation down. As you see, it has a nice luminous finish to it, so it looks nice and healthy. I didn't put a lot of foundation down because, of course, with it being, you know, hotter than Satan's balls outside, I'm just going to sweat it off. So I just did not want to have like a full cake face beat of foundation going on. But it looks nice and healthy. It's got that nice glow to it. I'm all for it right now. So for concealer, contour, and setting powder, I am going to go in with the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. I'm going to contour with my NYX Contour Wonder Stick, and I'm going to lightly set with the Jeffree Star setting powder. I'm not going to set my whole face, just the areas that I know are going to crease or kind of break up, because I don't want to take away from the luminosity of the look. So I'm going to apply these on camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my concealer, my contour down, and my powder down. I only powdered underneath my eyes, right here on my nose. Anywhere I put my concealer, I powdered down. So now I want all this to melt together, and I want to give myself a little bit of shine. However, I don't have a luminous setting spray. So what I did was I made one. I took my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day in the scent Lavender, and I took a little bit of this loose pigment from Hypnose Cosmetics. It's 24 karat, and I shook it together, and now I have a luminous setting spray. So I am going to spray my face and let all this melt together. See, now I have a little bit of more luminosity going on because of the pigment in the setting spray. So I'm going to do my brows off camera, and then we are going to come back and we're going to start on this simple summertime eye look. Okay, brows are done. Base looks really good. I still have that nice luminosity going. I get a lot of questions as to why I do my brows off camera all the time. I don't really like to show my brow routine because I think brows are like a preferential thing when it comes to brow routines. I just want it to be like, you guys aren't hashtagging me, where them brows at, Melissa? So yeah, that's why I rarely show my brow routine. I mean, I draw them out with a pencil. I fill them in with my Gerard Cosmetics brow bar to go, and I'm wham bam thank you ma'am, I'm done. I don't really make a big spectacle when it comes to my brows and whatnot. Okay, so let's start on this really easy peasy summer glowy eye look. I mean, I am using 2 little palettes, but I'm only using about 3 shades, so it's that easy. Okay, I am going to prep my eyes first with my Essence Eye Base. You guys know I love this. Love it. The first shade I'm going to go into is in the Too Faced Matte Chocolate Chip Palette, and it's the shade of White Chocolate. Just to set my base, please pardon the fact that my right eye is very dry. I don't know what it is. I have exfoliated, I have moisturized, but this eye is still very, very dry. I don't know what to do about it. It sucks. Left eye, smooth as a baby's butt. Right eye, jacked up. Okay, now we are going to go into the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Seascape palette. We got this in our BoxyCharm box, I believe last month, if I'm not mistaken, or the month before. May have been last month. But this is what she looks like, and the 2 shades I'm going to use are these 2 right here. That's all I'm using for today's look. So the first shade I want to go into is the shade Sand Dollar. It is the only matte shade in the palette, and I am just going to put that all over my lid. All right, now that I got that shade down, I'm going to go back into the Wonder Beauty palette, and in this shade right here, Champagne Harbor, I'm just going to put that right on the lid. Just like that. Easy peasy. Nothing too dramatic. There's a lot of fallout going on right now. but that's okay. It can just add to the glowiness, I guess. I did go back in the Too Faced Matte Chocolate Chip Palette with the white chocolate shade, and I did kind of soften up the edges a little bit because they were looking a little harsh. A little too harsh for my liking. So this is the look we got going on so far. I really do like it. Now technically I'm going to be using 4 shades because I'm going to use a eyeshadow out of the Too Faced Matte Chocolate Chip Palette to do my liner and underneath or on my lower lash line. I'm going to use this shade right here, which is Semi Sweet. And yeah, just gonna put that as my liner and on my lower lash line. Okay, eyes are done. I didn't put lashes on because I wanted to give my eyes a break from lashes. Plus, with this just being a simple, summery, glowy look, I didn't want to go all out and put lashes on. Okay. For my waterline, I did go in the BeautyForReal Eyeline 24/7 eyeliner in Champagne Buzz, and I just used my Tarte Man Eater mascara to, yeah, do that lash thing. So now let's go ahead and bronze up this face. I do have my lip prep down, so that is going. I am going to go into the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in 01 Cool. You guys know this has been my go-to bronzer lately. I absolutely love it. It is just so good, especially because it's only like $5. Come on now. Let's bronze up this face. For blush, I did want to use a baked blush because it does have luminosity to it, and I did kind of dye it down a little bit, you know, my foundation, you know, shine or whatnot. But I'm going to go in with the Milani Baked Powder Blush in Luminoso. I love this blush. It's been a while since I've used it though, but I absolutely love it. And let's blush up this face. Okay, now that we got the blush down, got a little bit of shine going on, it's time for some highlighter. I am going to go into one of my OG highlighters that I absolutely love. It's the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in Golden Light. You can't even see, like, the writing on it anymore because I've used it so much. I love this highlighter. Oh my god. Why did I stop using this? Alrighty. I did take Golden Lights and I did put it on my inner corner and my brow bone a little bit. This is the face. I absolutely love it. Let's go ahead and put some lipstick on. I'm going to take my lip prep off. Now I'm going to take the Gerard Cosmetics Lippy Pencil in the shade Sugar and Spice, and I'm going to outline my lips and kind of fill them in a little bit. I really don't have a shade that will really match with this that I actually want to use, so I am going to use this instead. And to fill it in a little bit more and give it a little bit of shine, I'm going to go into the Gerard Cosmetics Smile Your Gloss in the shade Crystal. There. Beautimous. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with my little concoction of my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray and my Hypnose Cosmetic Pigment and set this face to give me a little bit more shine. Well, luminosity, not shine. And this is the final look. I have a nice, healthy glow going on. I do want to appreciate all that you that did vote in the poll on Instagram for picking out this look. It's a little outside of my comfort zone. You guys know I've been doing more bold colors lately. You know, I like flat matte, but I actually really do like it. It's fun. It's summery. It's easy peasy. It's just a really nice look. I absolutely love it. Let me know down in the comments below, what is your favorite part of the summertime? Mine would have to be pool time with the nieces, most definitely. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. We all know she is super party because she looks like this. Don't forget that these shades are exclusive to this palette only. You cannot purchase them individually. So if you want to get on the glitter goodness that is Hubster, Mama, Sassy Pants, and Bad Squad, you're gonna have to pick this bad boy up. Also, I do have a discount code that you can save 15% not only on my palette, but on anything off Texas House of Glitters, and it is right here at the bottom of the screen. I do not earn any commission at all whatsoever with this discount code. It is just there for you guys to save some money. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/Melissa Leah Garrett, on Snapchat as Melissa Leah 1223, and on Instagram as Melissa Leah Garrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though we mainly know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. Easy peasy, sometime look, sometime look. Yeah. Instagram did really good then.